Hello, everyone. How is everyone feeling? Let's go. My name is Marco. I am founder of Super Team Balkan, but today I'm here to present youngest builders on Solana. Something about them. First is Kamel Ben, and he is only 14 years old. 14 years old developer. So Kamel is from Tunisia, and his builder journey began when he self-funded his trip to Paris Blockchain Week. Shout out to that guy. There he contributed to the manufacturing AI MVP platform and built the complex Solana and BSC bridge, wrapper bridge, only at 14 years old. A grant from Super Team later helped him replace his broken laptop and join the coding workshop at Blockchain 42, and that was a turning point in his growth. Since then, he has participated in the Solana Coliseum Hackathon with 2 teams. First one was Collateralize, and that received an honorable mention, and the second one is Oinkonomics. He also completed internships with MetaWealth and Diora, earning recognition for his contribution to the Solana Wallet Analyzer and also other tooling. Please welcome Kamel, joined by his father, Alaeddine. And our next guest is even younger, Sia. Sia is 10 years old and she's an artist from Belgrade. She entered Web3 at just 8 years old, and I was one of the proud buyers of her first NFT. You will see it's super cute. She is the youngest POSC ambassador in the Balkans, and she is an essential part of the charitable From Paper to NFT Kids workshop that we did together. And now she is developing together with her father, Ika. Her work spans both Web3 and the real world. She has collaborated with established artists from the space, and also she created merch for Soulflare, Streamflow, 4.0, you name it. I'm pretty sure she will do with all of the biggest in the future. She also designed a Solana Seeker phone case for Solid, and she collaborated with us as Super Team Balkan on keychain designs for all the super teams, which we will later give away to all of you who are members. And also, she is working with multiple companies around the world. Most recently, she completed her first generative PFP collection as part of the Oinkonomics Hackathon submission, and also she has been featured on Solana official channels with her own Creator Spotlight video, and she is a grant recipient of Bonk Masters and GTR program, supporting her first solo exhibition. And please welcome Sia and her dad.
Thank you.
So, Sia, let's start with the beginning. How did you two meet?
We met this summer at Solana Apex in Budapest, and our friends from Super Team Balkan and Super Team France introduced us because they thought we'd work well together.
And Kamel, do you agree with that?
Yeah, they were right. We started talking ideas, and we ended up creating a project together.
Let's support these kids. Please. Sia, can you tell us what are Oinkonomics?
Oinkonomics is a fun project about little pigs that live in a world everyone's wallet tells their story.
And Kamel, what was the main idea about Oinkonomics?
Yeah, the main feature is that it scans your wallet, checks your on-chain activity, and puts you in free tiers.
Okay, and what are the tiers, Alaeddine?
And Kamel built the system, so the wallet data is analyzed in chain locally, and you get your layer instantly, and we don't have the personal information kept in the on-chain.
Kamel, can you tell us what are the tiers called?
Yeah, there is actually 3 tiers: Piglet, City Swine, and Onkloids.
Check them out, they are so cool. So, Sia, you made the PFP collection. Can you tell us a bit more about the experience?
It was pretty cool and also a little bit hard because you need to make everything in separate layers, like separate noses, separate accessories. So we just started and I just start making all the traits, and that was my first time doing
Was it fun?
something with so many traits. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So
And
Yeah.
Ika?
Sia did all the artwork herself, like sketching, coloring, layering. I was just there to support the workflow and make sure she has everything that she needs.
and the hardest part was making sure the pigs didn't look weird when they're combined.
And you did great job. So, Kamel, can you tell us from your side, what was the hardest part of building this project from the technical perspective?
The hardest part was to make the feature when you connect your wallet, your Solana wallet, it reads your on-chain activity and puts you in the wallet you belong to block exploiters.
By the way, guys, you will have a chance to try Oinkonomics later. And Alaeddine?
And before Oinkonomics, Kamel worked on manufacturing AI with wallet connections and AI agents on Solana. And that's why the economics pipeline felt natural, even if integration was still a learning experience.
Okay, yeah, cool. And Sia, can you tell us how was it like to work on these big projects and being so young?
It was so fun, and I love doing projects with someone who are also passionate. Like, they like their job.
Yeah. Do you think that Kamel is passionate?
Yeah.
He is,
Yeah.
and you are so passionate. We love to see it. And Kamel, what was your experience working on this so young?
Yeah, it was very great, and I was able to learn many things about working together.
Cool, cool. So Sia, can you tell us about some pictures that you were sending all the time to Kamel? You were sending how many pigs every day?
A lot.
Camelia Sara.
Okay, Kamel, how many pigs did she send every day?
About 10 to 20 a day.
Is it true?
Not 10, maybe 8.
Okay.
6, 7.
Yeah, I received a lot of pigs every day. And Ika,
love to
can
see
you
them.
tell us about your experience?
Well, for me, it's just amazing to see the growth of Sia and how independent she is during the process of this project. It's just overwhelming sometimes, to be honest. She does all the work herself. I'm just there to mentor and strive her in the right direction, and make sure she has all the technical steps lined up so it works well in the end. Yeah.
And you did a great job. And Alaeddine, from your
And
side?
for me, it was a beautiful experience to see Kamel join an international team. He learned a lot from the ecosystem and from working with the new people.
And Sia, what is the biggest thing that you learned working with Kamel on Oinkonomics?
Well, I learned how developers think, and that sometimes what I draw needs to be easier to code.
Yes, and Kamel?
And I learned that artists don't just do drawings, they're building worlds, and Sia really shaped the face of Oinkonomics.
Yeah, and Sia told a great story. And now, the final question. What's next for the big superstars?
Well, we're thinking about small game and pretty fun, of course,
Okay.
and colorful.
Okay. So game is coming. And Kamel?
Yeah, something unrelated to Oinkonomics, just teamwork, code, and art,
And learn.
and learn, of course.
Great. And what's next for the parents?
For us, it's all about supporting our children as long as they enjoy the process and it's something that they enjoy. We'll just keep supporting their path.
And of course, we will keep supporting them.
Yes. So everyone, please give a huge applause for Ika, Sia, Kamel, and Alaeddine.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.